Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning into another video. So I know you guys have realized I haven't been posting in a while and we're going to talk about it. All right. So with this channel, I try to be or want to be as transparent as possible to you guys to show that we're all humans. We make mistakes. We do humanly things. Nobody's perfect. Right. So yes. So the reason why I haven't been posting in a while is because I have been in a space of trying to make a big decision and I finally came to a resolution. Just to let you guys know, I am still doing my small account challenge, but the small account challenge way is not the way for me at the moment. But based on the economy and all the other stuff that's going around financially, I need some more money, right? So I'm deciding to take a different route while also doing the small account challenge, and I'm looking to do a funded challenge, right? This is not a promo video or advertisement. This is just on me. I'm not promoting the company that I'm going to show right now. I'm just going through the journey with you guys and showing you there might be other option. I know there are some stigma that the funding or the prop firms are scammers. I'm well aware. I've done my research. And if you guys do decide to go that route as well, like I said, I'm not promoting this. If you guys decide to go that route as well, you do your own due diligence. There are criterias that are needed to pass, and if they are scamming, which I'm not saying they are or they're not, the amount of money that they're asking for, especially this fund that's asking for, it's not that crazy. All right, so even if they were supposed to do the wrong thing, it's not gonna affect me. I realized throughout my journey, I'm very profitable or consistent, I should say. I am very consistent, right? But with the small account, it's gonna take a long while to get to that space. And psychology wise, it plays a big toll on the psychology part. I know I said it twice, but the fact that it's taking me so long to get to a certain specific level of amount of money, it kind of play a toll on my mental, right? So I choose to go the funding route, and well, I'm gonna show you what program that I'm deciding to use. And if the camera's shaking, my tripod is a little bit loose, so please forgive me. All right, so let's go to my screen. So I'm still trading regular stocks, right? And one thing before I tap into the program that I'm using or looking to use, because right now I'm in the trial phase. They give I think it was like a 7-day trial or whatever the case may be, so you could get a feel of the how it works. Um, but anyways, one thing I realized is that I have different ways or strategy of trading. I use the bull flag pattern, I use the 3-bar play pattern, and the next this type of trading I use is trading one stock and one stock only. So that stock right now is Mara. And the reason why I'm choosing to do it this way is because with this challenge, it will make it much more easier because I know how Mara moves. So I'm using the fact that I have the knowledge of how Mara move, no matter what the market sentiment is, to use it use it as my advantage to potentially make more money. All right. So I'm gonna show you the program that I'm using. So this is the program right here. It's called Lux Trading Firm. Once again, this is not a promo video. I am not promoting this. I'm just doing it on my own accord. You guys do your own due diligence. This is what it looked like, right? And I'm guessing this is what it's going to look like when I do decide to put the money in to start the challenge. But as you can see, I started off with 24 or 25,000. Let's see. I think it was like 25,000 if I'm not mistaken. And this is my growth direction. And this, like I said, this is not real money. This is a trial version at the moment. I've been trading for a while in it, and I didn't know if I wanted to show you guys. But like I said, I'm like, why not? Why not show the people that are following me or who's interested in what I'm doing, the decision I'm making? So I have been doing very well. I'm basically 82% on the profit target. This, like I said, this is trial. This is not the official thing, right? So I've been doing very well, and it shows you active trading days. So I think you have to trade 29 days first before you could get the payout. So basically like a full month before you get payout. And as you can see all my trades here. And I've been doing the same thing that I have been doing. The same base hits. 10 cent here, 10 cent there, and keep it consistent. The only thing that I did recently today was I raised the amount of shares that I traded. But if you can see a lot of consistency. Apart from the days that I did lose some money. And as you can see, I'm just trading Mara. And you see the size that I'm trading. I use 1500, 1500. Then I scaled up 2000, 2000, 2000. And then I scaled up today as well. I scaled up to 25,000. I mean 2,500. Sorry, I scaled up 2,500, and as you can see the little profits I made, and also the amount that I have lost. As long as you're winning more, and your winners are more than your losers, you will always be profitable. I lost $150 here. I lost $50 here, and I lost $37 here. And you can see I made a profit here. 112, 190, 230, 250, 110, and 280, 287. And this blue line right here is basically where it will show that I passed this trial phase, right? So I'm basically probably like $342 away, or $300 away to be in that success phase. And by next week, I should potentially be there, or even a smidge close to that space, right? So that's really about it, guys. I'm not going any more in depth with it. I just want to show you guys the direction I have chosen to go. If you guys want to talk a little bit more about it, put in the comment section and we could go deep dive about it, because there are rumors that this is a scam. Like, you know, the funding prop firm is all a scam, and we can talk about it if you guys want to, you know. So put in the comment section. And like I said, I just do it because I need the extra funds. So if they can fund me 25,000, and I can use that 25,000 to help me be in a better financial position that I can be in, then I'm going to do it. All right. So thanks guys for tuning in. It's Key Life Trading, and I'm out, and see you guys next week. Peace.